Hello, Dr. Cohen. My name is Joe Sales Jr. from NV Digital Solutions, a digital marketing agency. I know this video is a little bit different, but recently I've been doing some research on chiropractors in the Victor Valley area, and I discovered your business. I have some suggestions, so I figured I would make a quick video and share a few tips on things that can help you to beat out your competition, and more importantly, to find and get more patients easily. So let's get into this. The things that I'd like to discuss in this video are your Google business profile, how citations work for your Google business profile in rankings, and your Google business profile reviews. And then I have a bonus or two that I want to share at the very end of this. So looking at your business, when I look it up in Google, I see that you come up strongly. And you come up strongly because you have a lot of citations that are here. And the citations basically are where you have your name listed on another directory or on someone else's website that provides information about local businesses, like a Yelp. That's a directory, or Groupon could be considered a directory in this case, Facebook. In any event, the more citations you have, the more authority that is given back or passed back, the more authentic your website is viewed by Google. And so with that being said, citations are really helpful, and Google uses those to help push your website in the Google search 3-pack. When we're in the Google search 3-pack, Google uses those citations and it uses reviews to be able to promote businesses. And when I look in to see we see that Stein and Hands of Health, Chiropractic, and Active Care are the top 3 chiropractors when you're looking up the keyword Victorville chiropractors. When I go past the top 3 and look at, I see that yours is coming up as number 5 in that area. And when I change the keyword, yours is still showing up as number 5 in the area. And that tells me that you actually have a lot of citations like I was seeing on the other page. The thing that I see here, though, is that you're leaving room for your competitors to bypass you if they're in a very similar ranking level. Meaning, when you have 3.6 star reviews and you have 36 reviews out there, anyone in the neighborhood of your 36 reviews with a higher rating stands the possibility of being rated higher by Google and passing you in this range. So I have some suggestions on how you can improve that. I would recommend that you continue adding citations to your business, but you need to also focus on adding reviews, adding positive reviews. And the way you can do that is by having control of your Google business profile. Now, as we go back to your personal Google business profile page, the very first thing I see is that it says, own this business. What this is asking is, are you the owner of this business? And that it's telling me that it is an unclaimed business. So any of your competitors could go in there, claim this, and put negative information about you, or put positive information to bring possible leads to their business. I've been on the end of the business where I worked at a dealership, a car dealership, and we did not have control over that, and we had to fight through Google to get control of that. And so the competitor was using our business profile to direct leads to their auto dealership lot. So I strongly recommend that you fill out the business profile. If you need help, that's what I'm here for. I'm able to help you with things like this. Another thing that I would suggest about your Google business profile is that you complete it as fully as possible. It should be pretty easy for you to fill out. But it's important that you have the information here, because what Google does is it uses the information that you have showing, and it uses that as a part of the formula to show your website when people that are interested in the keywords that you use in your content are available. So Google has a tool in here. It has a website builder, and you can use that website builder to be able to put content about the type of business you have, the type of people you're serving, and Google will use that content and it'll go along with what I was talking about because it demonstrates your experience, your expertise in your industry, your authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. And Google uses all of those as ranking factors in not just the Google search back, but also in Google SEO. So these are the topic areas that I wanted to discuss with you. So again, in summary, your Google business profile is important for your business. I would suggest gaining control of it by claiming it and using it by putting information out there. Put more citations out there for your business. It'll give your Google business profile more strength. And use the Google business profile, the reviews section, to be able to send to your clients to get more positive reviews for your Google business profile that will strengthen your online presence. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how NV Digital can help you to outperform your competition, then please reach out so we can chat about it. I have more tips and a lot more that I can show you about how to help you improve your business online presence. If not, I hope you can put some of these tips to use for yourself. All I ask is that you give me feedback on this video because this is something new that I'm trying, and I would like to know if it's worthwhile to send these to other people in other areas. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video, and have a great day.